In this video, you'll be presented with a course on how to self-publish on Amazon and get sales in the first 2 weeks. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on this topic, but the course we'll be talking about here is practical knowledge with a step-by-step guide packed in an easy-to-follow course. So instead of watching countless hours of YouTube videos that don't guarantee any results, you can simply get the course that pays for itself in the first weeks. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything.
Hi, and welcome to the KDP AI Crack demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you how I was able to generate results in less than a couple of days and running almost on a daily basis using Amazon KDP. I've actually become an author on Amazon Author Central, but I'm brand new. I just started this in the beginning of August, and today is August the 14th, and I've been able to generate these types of results from zero. Let me remind you, it's only been a few days in order to generate these results. Now, what I'm teaching you inside the KDP AI Cracked is the actual process on how I took a theory and put it into a test, implemented it, and generated results very fast. And I've done this with free tools, free money. You don't need a site. You don't need a domain. You don't need to build websites. You don't need to build lists. You only need to create assets, and you'll be creating assets with the power of AI. And you don't even need to pay AI to create these assets. So basically, you're creating with zero money down assets that you can put on a platform that will bring you sales as a passive income from the time you put them on there. There's a reason why I'm making sales. There's a reason why I chose certain niches, and you're going to learn everything inside my KDP AI Cracked, which is taking you step by step through my training based on my results, my blueprint on how to generate assets and put them on Amazon, where you're going to be generating sales, leads, and traffic over to your websites that you can monetize. And there are tricks inside and strategies that I'm teaching you inside the KDP AI Cracked. And I'm looking forward for you to checking out what I've created inside. Once again, these are results based on what I started 14 days ago. I wasn't doing this before, but based on an idea that I thought, I created something from zero that started bringing me sales in the next following days and weeks, and then generating me royalties as well. I'm going to show you free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, organic traffic methods, and the full-on blueprint on how to generate a passive income using Amazon KDP. Like I said, this is just the beginning. I just started, so keep that in mind. Thank you, and I'll talk to you inside KDP AI Cracked.
As you can see, this course on self-publishing a book on Amazon is a real deal and allows any beginner to succeed fast. I know, the money presented in that video is not life-changing, but imagine scaling that and adding to the pile. In a couple of months, you'll get a passive income that grows and grows, and that will be life-changing for sure. It's a business model that doesn't require dealing with customers, and it runs on autopilot. Additionally, by being a book author, you'll get authority and trust. So if you run or want to run a business in a specific niche, you'll instantly become an authority in that niche. Also, you can use your books as a sales tool by writing about your products and services, including links to your sales pages and e-commerce store. The possibilities here are endless. To get more information about this course about how to self-publish on Amazon, simply click the link in the description below this video. The new chapter of your life starts now, so click the link below and learn more. I wish you a lot of success in your new way as a book author. It's time to change your life for the better. Click the link below to get started now.